Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I want to show you how you could take a sheet of text and convert it into text that you can then edit in Microsoft Word. You don't need any other applications except for Microsoft Word to be able to do this. Well, so how do we take this piece of text and convert it into text on my computer? Well, the first thing that we're going to do is you take a picture of this with your smartphone. It'll save it as a JPEG. And then you're going to get that photo on your computer. So here I am on my desktop, and I've actually already done those steps so we don't have to jump through those. And here I'm going to open up the image that I took. So I just took a picture of this. And this is kind of a funny thing that we have in Seattle, but you get these vouchers in the mail and you can support different candidates using basically taxpayer money to support whoever you want. Is that a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Well, hey, I'm not here to talk about that. We're here to get this in the text in your document. So I have this JPEG and I want to edit this text. Well, how do I do that? So what I'm going to do is we're going to open Microsoft Word, because I said we would use Word to do this, and we're going to jump into just a blank document. So what I want to do is, the first thing that we're going to do is take this JPEG that I created, and we're going to drag and drop that into Word. And so here you'll see that, I have the image in Word, but hey, I can't actually edit the text. How do I edit the text? It's a little bit roundabout way to do it. They could probably make it, Microsoft could probably make this a little easier where, let's say you could right click on it and there was some option to convert to text. But we got to do this roundabout way to be able to edit. So how do we do that? The first thing we're going to do is go to File and then Save As. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on my desktop. So I'm going to just save this file to my desktop. So we're going to just save it as, let's say, convert to text. But what we're going to do is for the Save As type, instead of just saving it as a document, what we want to do is we want to save this as a PDF. So we're going to click on PDF, and then we're going to click on Save. So there you go, and now it's going to open up, looks like Microsoft Edge, and it shows me the PDF that I just saved with that image. Now, one of the beautiful things that you could do with Word is when you open a PDF, Word automatically converts that PDF to text. And so that's basically how we get the text into Word. So let's try that. So what I'm going to do now is I'll go to File, Open, and we're going to go to just onto the desktop, and then I see my convert to text.pdf. So let's try opening that file. So I'm going to click on that. And it says Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. That's exactly what we want. This might take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, and that's fine. So we're going to click on OK. And so right now it's doing the conversion, and there you go. It says basically all the text from the sheet, and see here I could type alongside it. And what I'm going to do is let's open up this document, and we're going to open it next to the original image. So I'm going to put the image on one side, the document on the other side. And here you can see it did a pretty good job. Here, it says go paperless, use your democracy vouchers online, has the URL, and then it has the different sections. The one thing it missed is it didn't include this questions, but otherwise it did a pretty good job at taking this text from just a random mailing I got in the mail, and I was able to take a picture with my phone, save it as an image, and then bring it into Word, and here I can edit, I can do whatever I want with any of the text. You could do this with any type of document, just take a picture, bring it into Word, and then you could go ahead and edit the text. It's pretty simple to do. You only need Word, and then your cell phone or some type of phone or camera, any camera will work, and you could do this. If you were able to successfully bring text into Word and now you're able to edit it, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos like this, hit that subscribe button. That way you get a notification anytime new videos like this come out. And if there's anything else you're trying to learn, you want to try to figure out how to do something, leave a comment down below and I'll add it to my list of videos to create in the future. And hey, that's all I had for you today. I'll see you next time. Bye.